Wi-Fi through your keychain. Free Wi-Fi, free internet, free 5G, 4G, 5G. Yeah, why not? Let's get it all. Look at spark plugs. Wireless free energy with spark plugs from your car. We'll do that. Free internet through, well, I don't know what the hell that thing is. Free energy generator. Just a magnet and a light bulb. Free energy. Free energy. Look at this one. Free internet. 2 bolts. That's it. That's all you need is 2 bolts. Holy shit. I can use my earbuds for my internet? Oh, no, this is for Bluetooth. And I've been paying all that money for Bluetooth equipment when I could have just very well used my earbuds, which I hate anyways. Here's one that come up last week. And by the way, this was suggested to me. You can get free internet with razors. Free internet with your key ring. Free internet. Just free internet with a fucking wrench. Free internet with a fucking wrench. Why are we wasting all this money paying for internet? Oh, my Lord.